Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making creamy asparagus soup. So let's get started. And today we're going to be using our aceti knife here. It's a Santoku knife, and it is definitely still sharp. We haven't even sharpened it yet. We've been using it for a couple weeks now, and it's pretty sharp. Okay, let's get started chopping. Yeah, to get started making our creamy asparagus soup, we're going to need 2 pounds of asparagus. Yep, 2 pounds. Boy, that's a lot, isn't it? Alright, we're going to need to wash these off, and I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. We washed all our asparagus. Let's move our chopped onions out of the way here. And we have our asparagus here all cleaned up. Now, some of them have the woody ends on them. Maybe they're like a 1/2 inch up. Most of them have it about a 1/2 inch up there. Maybe we can just go ahead, instead of doing them individually, chopping the ends off, why can't we just bunch them all together? Put them all together like this, like they were when we bought them, right? And we'll take our rubber band and we'll put it right around them, just like that. So they're all down here, the woody ends here. We're going to cut them right off all at one time here. Let's get rid of them. We'll take our Santoku sharp knife here and we'll just maybe cut about a 1/2 inch in. And we'll take them all off at one time. Let's see. Okay. Wow, that worked out good. Maybe I got one there to trim, that's about it. Now we'll just get ourselves a bowl and we'll put those ends right in there. Those woody ends. Yeah, they can become tough. Okay, we'll get them out of our way. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and pull out a few of these nice thin ones. Just like that. And we'll probably use maybe 3 or 4 of these, and we'll save them for a garnish later on. So we'll just go ahead and save them. Alright, let's go ahead and cut these up. Cut them in like 1/2 inch chunks here as you go up the stalks. Don't forget to move your rubber band up. Okay, let's take our rubber band off here. Alright, that's good. Beautiful. Alright, now we got to put all this in a bowl. Wow, that's a lot of asparagus right there. Yeah. Okay. Let's get ourselves a bowl here and we'll put them in it. Boy, that made it quick and easy, leaving that rubber band on there. Yeah. Okay, you remember those 3 or 4 thin asparagus there that we saved in the beginning? Yeah, we're just going to cut the ends off here and make them about 4 inches long here. We'll save them because they're pretty good. Okay, now we have 3 or 4 nice long pieces here. Can you see them? Alright, we'll save them as a garnish. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and put them in a little bowl so we have them for later. And we'll go ahead and put these right in there because they're alright. Okay. And there you have it. Our asparagus all chopped up nice and neatly. Really nice. Okay, now all we have to do is start cooking. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, today we're using our new stainless steel pan again. Yeah, this has been great. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high, and we'll put some oil in the pan here. We'll let that heat up a little bit. Now we're going to put a tablespoon of garlic in there. Stir that around a little bit. Okay, to that we're going to put 2 patties of butter. And melt that in. Anything with butter is always good, especially when it starts out that way. Okay, let's melt that in. Garlic and butter. There's nothing like the smell of garlic and butter, is there? Okay, to that we're going to add our onions. They're chopped fine and they should cook really quickly. It's about a half of a yellow onion there. We'll give them a quick stir here. To that we're going to add a little salt and we'll stir it up. We'll get these to where they're just starting to get a little bit golden and soften up a little. Okay, they're looking pretty good. We'll give them another quick stir here. Yeah, they look good. Okay, now to that we're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock, or chicken bouillon, whatever you have. And we're going to make sure our burner is set high enough here. We're going to want that to simmer. Okay, our onions and garlic here is simmering away good. Now we're going to let them simmer for maybe 5 minutes or so until they really get nice and soft, those onions. Because the asparagus isn't going to take that long to cook, so we want the onions nice and cooked. Boy, that smells good already. That'd be like onion garlic soup right there. Yeah. Okay, our onions are done. They're looking good. They're nice and tender. Okay, now we're going to add our asparagus. Put that right in there, all those. 2 pounds of asparagus right there. That's good. And we're going to make sure our burner is set high enough to start simmering away here. Okay, we're going to let the asparagus simmer away here for about 10 minutes until they become soft. Not mushy, but soft. Where you can take the back of the spoon and mash it up against the pot. And the asparagus retains some of its beautiful color. We don't want them too brown, Nobody likes browned asparagus soup. Yeah, so we're going to try to maintain some green color there. Make sure it's nice. Alright, we'll let them go for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're almost done here. Let's see how soft they are. Almost. Okay, now we're going to take our garnish that we have here and we're going to drop them right in on top here for a minute. And we're going to let them steam and get cooked a little bit here. We don't want them overdone, Then we'll take them back out and we'll garnish it with them. Okay, let's get our garnish back out of there. Put that aside. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Let's get one of them over on the side there and give it a smash test. Okay, it's smashed. Can you see it? Okay. So they're done. Now we're going to go ahead and shut off our burner. Now we're going to take our stick blender here. I don't know if you can read it, but Koyos is the name. Alright, let's go ahead and put that in there and be careful now. And we're going to blend that up good. Boy, is that working good. Koyos blender, stick blender, yeah. Yeah, watch that stick blender. Ready? Wow, is that fast? Beautiful. Man, that did a really good job. That coil blender there, the stick blender. Yep, it's really a good one. Wow, that's really beautifully creamy, and look at the color. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yep. And we're gonna stir that in because nobody likes bland asparagus soup. Look at that. Boy, is that good looking. And you have to have a taste test because then you know how much salt to add and more pepper or whatever you need. So let's go ahead and take a taste. Just a little more salt. And I'm going to put a little extra pepper. Okay, that ought to do it. Let's stir that up. Okay, let's just have another little taste test. Can you see it? Beautiful color. Oh man, is that good. Okay, let's put that in a nice bowl and serve him up. Can't wait to get into that. That really is good. Okay guys, let's serve up our delicious asparagus soup. Look at the color of that. Wow. Okay guys, here's our creamy asparagus soup. I know what you're thinking. Where's the dill sauce? Well, we made some dill sauce and we made it with mayonnaise, sour cream. We're going to spritz that right on top here a little bit. Just like that. Put a little more on. Okay. And we're going to take a stick here and we're going to do the little swirl. Alright. And we're going to take a little bit of paprika. We're going to put that on top. And a little bit of parsley. Just put a little spritz. Good. Well, there you have it, guys. Our creamy asparagus soup with creamy dill sauce, a little bit of cayenne pepper that's in there, and on top here, we put a little bit of smoked paprika. Yeah, you can't beat this. That's really creamy. Okay, let's just have a little taste. Can you see it? Wow. Oh, is that tasty? Boy, you're going to love this one right here. Just go ahead and make it because it's not going to last long. It's delicious. On those cool fall days and them spring mornings, yeah. Go ahead and make this. It'll stick to your ribs good and make you feel really good. As we used to say, soup's good for the soul. Yeah. Yeah, and as always, recipes in the description. And I got a recipe for the dill sauce here in the description. So go ahead and check that out. Yeah, you know what we forgot? Our asparagus garnish. Yeah, we just gotta have a couple of them. Now it's done. Yep. Boy, does that look nice. And if you're enjoying some of these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.